I think it is about time now, Africa, to pay extra attention to what is happening in Congo. One thing that we do not realize is that there's a revolution happening in Congo right now. It hasn't started today. People of Congo have been fighting so hard for over 3 decades for their complete independence away from M23 that have been dismantling the country of Congo. But to be honest, Africa and the rest of the world has not been paying attention. We haven't been taking serious of what is happening in Congo, and therefore we don't really talk enough. We don't really cover enough. We don't really find the ways to stand with our people. I remember what has been happening in the western part of Africa, Niger, Burkina Faso, Mali. I remember how Africans step outside to stand with these 3 great nations and to declare that this is the time for revolution. Revolution is happening in the western part of Congo. But one thing that we don't realize, that the same thing is happening across the continent of Africa, specifically the central part of Africa, DRC, Congo. Right now, as I'm saying, the Congolese people, they're walking, they're marching outside, they're demonstrating all across the world because they want to stop the influence of the USA, the influence of foreign powers in Congo, because they are to believe that Congo and everything that is happening is because of the influence from the outside. If you do not know what is happening in Congo for the past 3 decades, then you have not been paying attention. What is happening in Congo is very significant for the entire continent of Africa, because Congo we're talking about is the most richest country in the whole entire world. The fight of Congo land is the fight for the entire continent of Africa. If Congo is the richest country in Africa, richest country in the world, that means what is happening in Congo, it is very significant for the entire continent of Africa. If you want to colonize the place, if I want to come to your house, I want to rob your family, I'm gonna go after the one that has strength. I'm gonna go after the one has an income. I'm gonna go after the one that I know that the country or the house depend on. If Congo is the richest country in Africa, and we do not know yet how much significant Congo is to the part of Africa, then I'm telling you, we're just gonna sit here, watch, and the rest of the world is going to be benefit from what is happening in Congo. The phones you're using today, the materials, the minerals are coming from Congo. Name all kind of minerals in the whole entire world. You can find them in Congo. And sadly, Africans are not really benefit from them, but somebody else